morning everybody. Today I'll be explaining about the external respiration. As you know, human respiratory system comprises of your nose, and there is a cavity inside your nose that is known as the nasal cavity, which opens up into the pharynx, which is the point where your oral cavity and your nasal cavity, they both join together. And then again the oral cavity and the nasal cavity separate out. You'll see the trachea. As you can see, the trachea out there with incomplete rings, and which divides again into bronchus and bronchioles, which end up in the alveolus. Now I'm here to explain you about the mechanism of breathing, how the air is taken in and how the air is taken out. In case of inhalation, as you can see, the diaphragm is moving downwards and the ribs move upwards and outwards. As you can see, I'll be explaining you this process using this model. As you can see, a bottle here fitted with a straw, which is behaving as your trachea, and a balloon inside, which is behaving as your lung, and there is a balloon which is fitted below, which is behaving as your diaphragm. And so how do we breathe in is, as your diaphragm is a flexible flap of muscle, it moves up and down, and when it moves up, as you can see, the balloon, there is no air inside the balloon, or the air inside your lungs has gone out. Why this happens now? It happens because when you're pushing the diaphragm upwards, you're reducing the volume of the chest cavity, and because the volume of the chest cavity is reduced, the air pressure inside is more. And you know that air moves from the higher pressure to the lower pressure, so the air from the lungs is forced out. Now in case you are inhaling, what happens? The diaphragm moves downwards and it increases the volume of the chest cavity, and because the volume of the chest cavity has increased, the air pressure inside has decreased. So there is more air pressure outside, and so the air rushes inside the chest cavity. As you can see, this is how we breathe in and breathe out.